Hello everybody, my name is Roxana and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we are working with some beautiful pears which I purchased 99-cent store. We also got some caboodle sticks. We are working with some beautiful variety of some eucalyptus. We also got these beauties which I love to work with throughout the year. I got some beautiful geraniums. We also got these beauties, pretty little yellow flowers. We got a wire cutters or scissors. We also got a piece of this 44-inch wired ribbon, some little bit of yellow in there. We got this, which I made. It's just a sign I got for 99-cent store. Paint it, put some burlap in the back, glued on some wiring. Then it came out pretty cute, you know. Okay, with that said, let's get this started. First things first, we got our 24-inch wreath, which I'm going to squish in right here because we're going to make way for our sign. We are going to put this sign right here. I squished it in so the part here won't be all sticking out, you know. And we're going to get this on here like this. Got our wires on there. That. All right, let me put this up a little. It's gonna be the same, huh? Get that in there. Down. Get this over here. Right at the edge. See this part? Well, we got it. Look at that. Okay, now what I was talking about our caboodle sticks. We're just gonna insert right there. Look at that. On this project, you could use your glue or some wiring for extra support. You know, look at that. Got our little pears going. First thing first, though, we're going to get on our beautiful greenery. Got this going down like that, you know. Look. Let's get this in here. Use our wiring from the wreath. And just work our way around. Insert them, get a little piece, and get that wire to hold it. Come up here, get that wire to hold it. And look at that. Now we're going to get some more of this beautiful greenery going on. Lift them up and leave them on in here. This is so beautiful, you know. Lovely, lovely. Let's work our way up. And we got one more right in here. Look at that. We're going to put our ribbon right down here, so we're going to keep that cool. I think I'm going to make that ribbon right now. Get that ribbon in there. This is going to be easy ribbon to do. Just going to take both of these like this. One on one side, the other one on this side. The two together. We're just going to spin it around like that. Insert it. Easy ribbon. But, ba-bum. Easy bow. There we go. Got it like that. Just simple, you know. Not too much. Then we're going to get our piece of wiring. Get in the back and just insert the wire around like that. Spin it on there a little bit, and let's get this beauty on here. Look at that. Got this going right here. There we go. Cut out the excess. Boom. See? Simple one. Now we are going to get our beautiful pears in there. We're just going to put one like that. Let's get another one over here. This part you could use your glue gun. Insert them. Then we're going to get our beautiful geraniums. Wow, look at this. Some bigger one right there. I got these little pieces. Look at that, everybody. How beautiful, huh? Oh, I got some of these leftovers. Let's get some of these up in here. Get some height going. Let's get some more down here. A little bit going down. Hey, look at that. How's it looking, everybody? Thumbs up or leave a comment. Look at that. Now let's get some of these beautiful little florals in here. Watch what a difference it'll make. Yeah. We got one. We got two. Separate them out. Spread them out. And look at this. One more beauty up here. And there it is, everybody. Wow. I think this is so cute. I would like to make a big one. So I got to get more of these. We're going to make a bigger one. I like the textures. You know, look at this, everybody. I made it today with some eucalyptus, some pears, some beautiful spring florals, and a cute, simple ribbon. You can attach kind of anything to your wreath, you know. Just get some ideas and get crafting. And you will come out with the beauty, everybody. Once again, everybody, it was a pleasure being here with you guys. If you guys got any ideas or inspiration or just enjoyed my channel, consider pressing the subscribe button. You will be notified of my upcoming videos. It's free. You also will be helping my channel grow with that much thanks. And everybody, let's just get crafting and come up with some new ideas. And everybody just have a great day, and let's get that smile. Until the next video, have a great day.